Hi everyone, it's Emily. Today we're going to talk about the cartonization process and how understanding it can help you reduce your shipping costs and maximize the number of units you can ship. The cartonization process actually begins the moment you start adding items to your cart. As you shop, the system continuously calculates the best way to pack your order. It considers the quantity you're purchasing, the weight of the garments, and the dimensions of every color and size combination you're adding to your cart. The system then compares that information against the original mill packs from the vendor and the shipping cartons we have available. Based on those calculations, it determines the most efficient way to pack your order into the fewest and most cost-effective boxes possible. These calculations are constantly changing as you add or remove products, right up until your order is completed. Let's look at a real example. I'm going to start by going to the closeout t-shirt section and adding 1 dozen adult t-shirts to my cart. Now let's take a look at the freight details. In this example, the UPS shipping cost is $15.20. Since I'm only shipping 12 shirts, that works out to approximately $1.27 per shirt in freight costs. Now let's see what happens when we increase the order size. I'm going to go back and add 1 more dozen shirts, making the order a total of 24 shirts. Back on the freight page, the new UPS shipping cost is $15.98. That's only 78 more cents than the original shipment. But now we're shipping 24 shirts instead of 12. That means the shipping cost per shirt drops from approximately $1.27 per shirt down to approximately 67 cents per shirt. That's a freight savings of approximately 47% per garment. Now let's take it one step further. I'm going to go back to the cart and add 4 more dozen shirts, bringing my total order to 6 dozen shirts or 72 pieces. Back on the freight page, the new shipping cost is $19.34. When we divide that shipping cost by 72 shirts, the freight cost drops to approximately 27 cents per garment. Compared to the original order, that's a reduction of nearly 79% in shipping costs per unit. That's a significant savings. Of course, your actual results will vary depending on your location and the products you're ordering, but the principle stays the same. The more efficiently that we can pack your order, the lower your shipping costs per piece can become. As a general rule, we're often able to fit 6 dozen t-shirts into a single carton and typically 2 dozen hoodies into a shipping box. Understanding how cartonization works can help you make smarter purchasing decisions, reduce freight costs, and maximize the value of every order you place with RG Riley.